For only 24,000 pesos or 415 US dollars a month, you can own in not just an ordinary community of an Ayala Land development, but on one of their premier communities, and it is located in their Tagaytay weather, the Verdea of Southmont. Hi, this is me again, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek. I am very excited with this video because right now, at this moment, it is buyer's market here in the real estate dito sa Pilipinas. And when I say buyer's market, it's really buyer's market because imagine, itong Verdea which is under Alveo of Ayala, and if you would observe or nabalitaan nyo na, Alveo and Ayala Land Premier already merged. So, sa mga ganitong communities na they are designing and developing an Alveo with an ALP amenities but offering smaller lot cuts, and the bonus is, imagine, dahil naka 60 months to pay, again 60 months or 5 years to pay down payment, your monthly sa lote na bibilhin mo sa kanila, may it be for investment or for your future retirement home, tatayuan mo itong lote na ito for only 24,000 pesos per month or 415 US dollars using a $58 conversion. Napakasulit na po nito. And at the same time, you are not sitting on an old community of Ayala. You will be the very first community owner sa bagong estate development nila, which is Southmont, the highest elevated estate community located in Silang, Cavite, but very near New Valley and SM Neo Verde, and holding the Tagaytay weather. We will talk about more of this promo term this October, but I still want to highlight, alam ko, napanood nyo na to, nakapag-cover na tayo ng maraming Verdea videos, marami na tayong kinumpare pa natin siya sa ibang Ayala development, but still, malaki pa rin yung trust ko dito sa development na to kasi kung ano si New Valley nun, wala pang nakatira, dinedevelop pa lang yung roads, ganito si Southmont ngayon. Number 1, tignan muna natin kung ano yung pwede nyong itayong retirement home. Nasanay kayo, you're used to having a bungalow home, especially if you are living right now, our Filipinos living in the US, Canada, and other Western countries, or for example, sa Australia. So, pwedeng-pwede po tayong magtayo ng bungalow dito sa Verdea and in any other Alveo lot projects. But of course, subject to the developer's deed of restrictions. But the good thing is, dahil marami po tayong nababalitaan dito, of course, very common naman ito, at least 2 floors dapat ang houses. But right now, if gusto mo bungalow lang, retirement home, ayaw mo na ng may stairs, perfect sa inyo to. Number 2, again, this Southmont, this is the youngest estate development of Ayala Land here in the High South. Very exclusive because the total land development of this estate is only at 800 hectares. At the same time, you will be having your own church inside the community, your own alfresco just like the high street of BGC, and at the same time, the biggest sports complex in the High South. Imagine you will be having your own golf driving range, tennis courts, basketball courts, a high-end and world-class gym, aesthetic, and of course, a lot of jogging paths and bike trails only inside Southmont. And yes, bukod sa location, dapat nating tandaan kung sino yung nauuna, hindi lang sa real estate development, but pati sa mga negosyo no, na naiisip natin sa isang community, sila yung mag-reap ng malaking benefit in the future. So yeah, that is Southmont, a very exclusive, actually, katabing-katabi nga niya si Chiang Kai-shek College. It's not just your usual school dahil malaking development din po ito, and they are creating a lot of active activities inside the campus. So, you can picture out na magre-retire ka, but at the same time, it doesn't feel like kailangan mo pang pumunta sa malayong lugar, pumunta ka pa sa Tagaytay just to chill or just to work out, for example, at maghanap ka ng sports facilities. Dahil inside Southmont, very near Verdea, nandyan na lahat ng kailangan nyo. So, very friendly sa retirees and of course, sa family building. Lagi ko ngang sinasabi, this is a mixture of not just family building, pero dahil may Tagaytay weather ka, higher elevation, ang ganda ng view, makakapture mo pa din yung feels na kahit na malapit ka sa city-like community just like New Valley, dahil nandyan na ang malls, sa loob, you're very secluded. Feel mo pa rin na, wow, ito yung maraming greens, ito yung community ko, malapit ako sa lahat, but still, I am enjoying this environment and this kind of weather. Number 3, in terms of accessibility, alam natin malapit na sa New Valley, Greenfield City, SM Neo Verde, Greenbelt of the South. Dito po sa mapa na nakikita nyo ngayon, as we present, magkakaroon to ng connecting roads going to Carmona. Tapos, magkakaroon ito ng connecting road going to Cavite Laguna Expressway. And of course, the existing one connecting to South Luzon Expressway. Tumaas ka ng konti, pero you're still connected even going to Manila and Ninoy Aquino International Airport. And of course, pag-usapan naman natin si Verdea mismo, which is inside Southmont. So for Verdea, this is around 24-hectare development, but they only have a total of around 374 lots. Imagine, sobrang baba ng density. And as you can see, sa pinapakita naming drone shots ngayon, gawa na yung amenity area, meron na tayong mga nakikitang roads, and at the same time, the view. Hindi mo po ito mabibili. Kung saan ka nakabili, kung yan lang yung elevation yan, yan na yun. But of course, nakikita nyo ngayon sa drone shot, meron tayong may view ng Mount Makiling, view ng puro greeneries facing like for example the Carmona Mountains, and of course Laguna de Bay, and parang kitang-kita pa rin ngayon dito yung Makati skyline. And what I like about this development is that dahil kalapit niya yung ibang Ayala Land Estate Development, Ayala is planning to have a bus rapid transit connecting all of their Ayala Land developments here in the south. New Valley, Southmont, Broadfield Business District, and Era Heights of Carmona. So, interconnected po lahat yan. And kanina nag-uusap lang kami ng bago kong partner sa real estate, one of the pocket developers here in the south. Napag-usapan namin, basta tinabihan ng Ayala, talagang nag-shoot up yung price. But imagine, hindi lang kayo nakatabi sa Ayala Land Development. You are living, you have an investment, or you have a property inside Ayala Land Development plus dahil nga nauna kayo, maririp nyo yung benefit, mataas pa yung gap ng market value appreciation over time. Kasi nauna kayong community, katabi nyo pa si Lanewood Hills, which is an Ayala Land Premier project. So, imagine nyo yung magiging price per square meter and yung resale value na kikitain nyo in the future if mag-i-invest kayo dito ngayon. Let's proceed to the sample computation for October promo. So again, for as low as 24,000 pesos per month, makakakuha po tayo sa Verdea. Pero yung i-feature natin ngayon, tumaas lang ng konti. Nasa 25,900 lang per month kasi gusto ko i-feature na for only that monthly term, makakakuha ka na ng lot size of around 334 square meters. Imagine that, sa Verdea, meron ka ng 334 square meters wherein sa ibang Ayala Land project, pag ganito, hindi na po ganito yung monthly. So gusto ko pong i-highlight to, pero again, kung pag gusto nyo ng 24,000 per month, meron po tayo but smaller than 300 square meter lot cut. So this one, nakikita nyo no, sa map, that is located in Block 23, Lot 30. It's a regular lot, 334 square meters, east-facing pa siya for a total contract price of 15,503,000. So, You will be enjoying again an east-facing lot oriented towards the morning sun. This regular shaped lot offers excellent usability and balance, and ideally located just a short walk from the vibrant amenity core, offering both convenience and a premium lifestyle experience. So the lightest promo term, magre-reserve ka lang ng around dito sa computation natin 50,000 pesos. For example, October 15, the next month, November 15, you will be paying 10% spot payment, which is around 1,500,300 pesos. And the following month, December 15, dun po magsisimula ang 60-month down payment or 5-year very low down payment of about 25,900 pesos per month. And after 60 months, yung matitirang balance na 12.3 million, you can loan it through bank. But imagine yung flexibility mo during the course of low down payment term, makakapag-save ka pa talaga para sa dulo, you can have a balloon payment and then lower na lang yung ilo-loan mo sa bangko. Very flexible, ang ganda, i-take niyo yung opportunity na buyer's market, paulit-ulit na po ako. And at the same time, makakakuha ka na hindi po siya Avida, hindi po siya Amaya. It's an Alveo project next to Ayala Land Premier. So regardless if it's an investment, end use, or for retirement home, napakaganda po na mag-lock in ng price ngayon dahil walang pressure. Makikita mo, hindi mo naman mapapansin yan na, uy, nagbabayad tayo 25,900 or 24,000 pesos per month or around 415 to 430 US dollars per month. Yung halaga po niyan on your 3rd year, 4th year, or 5th year down payment, napakababa na lang po niyan because of the inflation rate. Pero na-lock in nyo na siya, na ganun na lang siya, mag-market value, kung ano man yung mag-develop na residential outside the community or inside or commercial development of different developers, you are not affected anymore. That is the power of a pre-selling on the newest Ayala Land development here in the High South. And yeah, I'm excited sa mga investors ko dito, yung mga nagtiwala pong clients sa akin. Kasi in my 5 years of experience, lagi ko itong binavlog, Metro Santa Rosa. This is my focus market right now. But we're offering naman all over the Philippines. Basta credible yung developers, pero iba po talaga yung pakiramdam ko dito sa area na to. Any type of investment, condo man yan, lote or bahay, ma-reap nyo po talaga not just in terms of monetary, but of course, yung lifestyle in the future. And they are very true to their promise. Nakita nyo naman yung mga previous videos natin, becoming the next BGC of the South, the suburban dream of the Philippines, yung mga latest development updates natin, hindi lang po isang developers. In a way, natutuwa ako na na-penetrate ito ng mga private developers just like Ayala, just like Greenfield Development Corporation, SM. Dahil kahit na medyo elevated yung price, well, we're paying for what we can experience in the future. At alam natin na hindi ito pangako lang, no? So, ang dami nilang ginagawa ngayon and nagiging center of gravity na tayo ng commercial development. Pag nakikita ko nga during the weekend, para na rin tayong nagiging Tagaytay, para na rin tayong nagiging tourist spot. So, kapag maraming foot traffic, ibig sabihin, napakaganda ng economic performance in the future. So, a lot of my clients are also thinking like, Jair, meron na kaming retirement property sa'yo and we cannot wait to spend our retirement there and magtayo ng mga, hole-in-the-wall cafes and restaurants kasi usong-uso po dito yan. Very affluent yung residents or market here and they're paying for as long as you have a quality product or service that you will deliver to them. So yeah, if you want po na makahabol sa October promo for Verdea, again, this is buyer's market. Hindi nyo po ito makikita sa ibang months, not only for October. Imagine, 24,000 pesos per month or 415 US dollars for 60 months or 5 years for as long as you will pay a minimum of 10% down payment sa unahan. Imagine, ang dami yung flexibility at kayang-kaya nyo itong laruin na baka nga after 5 years, hindi na kayo maglo-loan kasi nakapag-save na kayo. You bought a property at 0% interest, wala kayong binayaran, full principal amount lang. So, I am always free through my local mobile number, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That is +63927-185-1590. Business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. Do not forget to click like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, The Property Geek, as well as our Instagram and Facebook account and TikTok. That is The Property Geek as well. And of course, you may reach me through my personal Facebook account. That is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok, and I hope yung mga kakilala nyo na alam niyo yun, merong budget constraint ngayon or ito lang yung kaya nilang i-allot pero makakapag-invest sila sa ganito kagandang community at mataas yung resale value, please share this video at tulungan po natin yung mga kababayan natin na makapag-invest dito sa Pilipinas at alam niyo yun, ma-utilize or magamit nila yung pinaghirapan nila in the future, the time na mag-retire sila. Meron silang magandang property dito sa Pilipinas. So, till our next video, this is me again, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the beautiful islands of the Philippines.